Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, Ongsuman Sina Mathematics. So, in this video, as you can see from here, that in this video we are going to discuss about some solution from the chapter class 12 differentiation. So, class 12, the chapter name is differentiation. Differentiation. So here comes the first question. It is told that differentiate with respect to x. So for that let y is equal to sin 3x cos 5x. Okay, so these both are the function of x. So since they both are the function of x, so we should apply ddx of uv method, that is ddx of uv, where both are the function of x. What is the formula? Dx of uv, du dx into v plus dv dx into u. This is the formula we should apply from here further. So we are writing that differentiate both side with respect to x. We are getting dy dx equal to ddx of first ddx of sin 3x cos 5x. Okay, now that means ddx of sin 3x cos 5x plus ddx of cos 5x sin 3x. Now ddx of sin 3x means 3 cos 3x, we know that, into cos 5x. ddx of cos 5x means minus 5 sin 5x into sin 3x. Okay, so by adjusting 3 cos 3x cos 5x minus 5 sin 5x sin 3x. So this would be my required answer. Next, move to another question. What is the question? Y is equal to log tan x by 2. It is given. We have to find dy dx. Okay, so again I am writing differentiate with respect to x. We get dy dx is equal to ddx of log tan x by 2. Okay, so that means ddx of log x means 1 by x. Ddx of log x is 1 by x. Now here x is tan x by 2, so that means ddx of log tan x by 2 means 1 by tan x by 2. Next, in next step we have to do ddx of tan x by 2. Okay, now ddx of tan x 1 by tan x by 2, ddx of tan x is equal to sec square x by 2, sec square x by 2. Next, again the differentiation of x by 2. So if we differentiate x by 2, we will get how much? Half. Okay, so half should be come over here. This is sec square x by 2. Sec means 1 by cos square x by 2, and this is tan x by 2. Tan means this is sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 by tan x by 2 is given, so that means half into cos should be cancelled. So that means we are getting this is cos x by 2 sin x by 2. Okay, Now that means 1 by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So from the formula of the compound angle we are getting sin x. That means 1 by sin x means cosec x. So cosec x, that should be my answer. Next, move to another question. Next, it is given that if y is equal to x to the power 10x plus root under of x square plus 1 by x, find dy dx. So that means y is written in the form of ux plus vx. So for finding dy dx, that's equals to du dx plus dv dx. Understood? Now taking this as u, what we are getting? U is equal to x to the power 10x. So first we differentiate this with respect to x. So taking log both side, what we get? Log u is equal to 10 log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, what we are getting? 1 by u into du dx, that's equals to this 10x, that's equals to ddx of 10x means sec square x into log x plus log 10x into ddx of log x means 1 by x. Now we have to find only du dx. Du dx is equal to u into sec square x into log x plus 10x by x. So u, the value of u is equal to x to the power 10x. So x to the power 10x sec square x log x plus 10x by x. So this is my du dx. Again taking v, that is v is equal to root over of x square plus 1 by x. So dv dx, so that's equals to ddx of x square plus 1 by x whole to the power half. So we should apply here, both are the function of x, is both are the function of x, so we should apply ddx of u by v method, u by v formula. What was the formula of ddx of u by v? That is v square v into du dx minus u into dv dx. That was the formula. So here we should apply this formula. What we are getting? X, next that is x to the power half square x. So next x to the power half should be remain here, ddx of x square plus 1 whole to the power half minus x square plus 1 whole to the power half ddx of x to the power half. Okay, so next this is x, this is x to the power half, this can be written as ddx of x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 whole to the power half. Now ddx of root x, first we should consider this as ddx of root x. So ddx of root x, that can be written as 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. Next again the differentiation of x square plus 1. So that we will get 2x, okay, minus this is x square plus 1 whole to the power half or root, this is fixed, ddx of root x, that's equals to 1 by 2 root x. Next ddx of x means 1. So here we are getting these two can be cancelled. So here we are getting that x into root over of x by x square plus 1, okay, minus root over of x square plus 1 by x, and obviously 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 should be there, divided by x here. Now if we calculate it again, that is this by x means root over of x by x square plus 1 only, minus 1 by 2x root over of x square plus 1 by x. So that is the final of dv dx. Now dy dx, that's equals to how much? Du dx plus dv dx. Now value of du dx is equal to x to the power tan x into sec square x log x plus tan x by x. This is the du dx plus dv dx. This is the value of dv dx. Root under of x by x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2x into root under of x square plus 1 by x. So this line, this, hope you are able to see it. So this line would be the final answer. This is the final answer of the math. Okay, next move to another question. Next we have taken one another question, that is if log is equal to sine of y is equal to sine of log x, then so that this is the difference, this is called differential equation. Differential equation, that is an equation containing containing the differential coefficients of y with respect to x together with an equal sign. So it is called the differential equation. Now here y is equal to sine of log x, so dy by dx, so that's equal to sine x, sine of log x. Now here we consider log x as x, so sine of log x means cos of log x. Next differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, next in next step we should multiply this x over here, x into dy dx, that's equals to cos of log x. Again differentiating, we have to write here that differentiate with respect to x both side. Again differentiate with respect to x, so d2y by dx2, okay, d2y by dx2 into x plus dy dx only, because ddx of x should be 1. So that's equals to how much? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus sin log x into differentiation log x is 1 by x again. So again multiplying this 1 by x over here, we are getting x square d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx is equal to minus sin of log x. Okay, now here x square d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx plus sin log x equal to 0. Now my y is equal to sin log x, y is equal to sin log x here. So x square d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx plus y, that's equals to 0. So that is my required differential equation. Okay, so that's it for in this video. Hope you are able to understood it. Next we will come and join some more video related to class 12 mathematics. Till then, keep watching my channel, and please do subscribe and like and share with your friends as much as possible. Okay, please stay with me. Thank you.